My supplier told me they were working on a new keyboard switch that is completely smooth with no friction, as in no scratchiness whatsoever. So of course I told them I'll buy them all immediately. Let's put them in this board and see if I made the right choice. In the spirit of purple, I'm using a CF81 Pro, which is hot swappable, meaning I can swap the current switches out for new ones. I'm also using a purple keycap set to match the purple theme. I'm not exaggerating, these are extremely smooth and I don't feel any friction. These are in stock now at Kinetic Labs. Let me know what you think in the comments.